ordering replacement parts for your RV supposed to be easy? Well, I hope this is helpful and allows it to be a little bit easier for you and your family. Question number 1, what is the best way for me to order replacement parts with Cruiser RV? So if you want to call us by phone, call us at 1-877-514-7289 and click the parts prompt in the intro of the call. What's the information that I'm going to need prior to ordering my parts through Cruiser RV? We have a lot of different floor plans, and over the last 3 years, if you can imagine, we cannot memorize every single part that goes into every single coach. So please provide us the following to ensure that we give you the correct replacement part that you're ordering. Number 1, give us the last 6 digits of your VIN number. Number 2, please give us dimensions or measurements of what you're looking to replace. For example, wood trim. They can come in various lengths. Windows. We use a variety of different window sizes depending on the floor plan. And also, if you're looking to replace a special order part, for example, an appliance, something that we physically don't make at Cruiser RV, it is imperative that you provide us with a specific model number on the back of that appliance. What if I need to order paint? Will Cruiser RV provide me the paint codes? Yes, Cruiser RV will provide you the paint codes, and you just have to give us 2 pieces of information. Again, the last 6 digits of the VIN number, as well as the photos that you have taken, for example, on the front cap. Because a lot of times front caps will have more than one color, and again, we want to ensure that we give you the correct color code that you want for the replacement paint that you need. Question number 4 is all about what do we have as far as inventory and our stock level, and then what is our current lead time. So this video is being made as of November 18th. I want to group this response into 2 categories. So we have model specific parts. These are parts that are specific to the floor plan and model that we made. We will keep model specific parts in stock for 3 model years. That doesn't mean we obsolete them, but we strive to keep them in stock for 3 model years, which means if you have to order a replacement model specific part, you can expect to have that ship 24 to 48 hours from order. That is based on this time here in November. For common parts that are not model specific, for example, fender skirts, we will keep those in stock much longer than just 3 years. And again, based on right now in November, you can expect a lead time of 24 to 48 hours. Now I want to talk about the stock inventory and the lead time for special order parts. These are parts that Cruiser RV does not physically make. For example, appliances, AC unit, parts that are made from other manufacturers. As of November 18th, I'm telling you this to be transparent, open, and honest, so please be kind to our customer service team. The communication that we're receiving from our various suppliers based on the last, 2 or 3 weeks of inquiries, our current lead time right now is a range between 10 and 21 days from order. Again, we sincerely apologize, but all of you have to know, we do not make these special order parts like appliances or AC units. So we are ordering them from the OEM supplier that we have. So the only thing that I would ask is, again, I know it's not ideal. You are always welcome to call Cruiser RV and ask for what the current lead times would be. I want to order my replacement part, and I think that me and my family want to try and replace it and do the installation ourselves. Will Cruiser RV help us? Obviously, we're physically not going to be there to help you with the install, but we will work to get you the manuals if there is a manual available. We don't always have manuals, but again, you can always ask, and our customer service team is committed to trying to get you as much documentation to help you and your family with the installation. If you're going to an authorized RV service repair shop, we also want to help you and them as well. So feel free to ask us for those manuals. They are a free resource, and if we have them, we will gladly provide them to you. The other thing that we strongly recommend, whether you do the installation or you do go to an authorized RV service repair center, please call 1-877-514-7289 and then just simply click on the warranty/tech option that you'll hear in the beginning of the call. Please feel free, there's no charge by the minute. Contact our warranty or tech services for any questions that you have. I want to thank you guys for your time, and my hope is that these 5 questions and 5 answers from our Cruiser RV customer service team are helpful and will allow you to have a much better experience in the future when you need to order replacement parts for your RV. Thanks, everybody.